Hiccups are the funniest thing. Grandpa's hiccuping. Hey, Jack. Yeah. You got your kitty? You got your kitty? Does your kitty say hiccup?
I meant to change him before I left. I don't think he did, but